see damage in here?
The tornado went right, started right through here. Come through town.
Did it actually go over the chat piles?
Yeah.
Didn't damage those?
Yeah.
It did? Yes.
Yeah. This is a neighborhood that got hit.
Yeah, somebody's been back in.
Can you imagine when this was probably nice?
Oh yeah.
Grass was mowed. It's crazy.
Extreme Chase Tours. We stopped by in Picher, Oklahoma, almost 2 years after a devastating tornado leveled the town. And I'll pan the camera around. You can see all of the damage. All these houses are gone. This used to be a thriving neighborhood. It's just demolished and abandoned. It's sad. It's sad. As far as you can see. Damage. Empty houses. Empty homes. Broken lives.
Tornado came through. Looks like this.
Some of the stuff looks just as it did right after the tornado hit. Some of it hasn't been touched. Right here is ground zero, Picher, Oklahoma. Turn the camera, you're looking straight to the west, northwest, just as the tornado came over the chat pile. Zoom in on the chat pile, you can barely see it in the distance there. Tornado came straight this way over the chat pile. Look out here, guys. See the chat pile? It's amazing. We're just driving through the south side of Picher here, where the EF4 tornado came through almost 2 years ago. There's almost nothing left. Of course, they haven't rebuilt because of the buyouts that are going on. But it's just sad to see the community just gone. All these beautiful houses just destroyed, never rebuilt. We're right here at ground zero, where the EF4 tornado came straight through. This is the sad side of storm chasing. This is the bad side of storm chasing, where you see all the lives that are affected, all the people that have lost everything from the very things that we chase. It's just crazy. It's surreal. Looks like a bomb went off here and everybody just left it. There's nothing here. Sometimes I feel guilty about chasing storms. One of the things we do is we also provide ground truth to the weather service, ground truth to the TV stations, and we help them to tell folks that there's tornadoes coming. And that's probably what's keeping me chasing after seeing scenes like this. Well, here there's nothing left of these homes. There's nothing left here. See, from one side to the other. Completely gone. This is where the tornado was at its most fierce state. Came over with chat piles. It was 3/4 mile wide, winds of 260 miles an hour. Guys, can you imagine being in one of these houses when that thing hits you? What do you think it'd be like, TJ?
Horrifying.
What do you think, Stan? What would it be like being in one of these houses? You see a tornado coming right over the horizon.
Scared to death.
Look at the trees. Looks like Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The trees are just cut off. This is 2 years later. That's a little different, isn't it? 3 crosses. Wow.